That's better. What? It's you! Sonic! You're supposed to be... This time I'll get you clean. Sonic, the Chaos Emerald! No! Shh. Hypersonic. Yes. Hello friends, I am Hypersonic. I only serve Dr. Robotnik and Knuckles. Sonic, what should we do? Leave this to me. Get Sonic and Tails now! Hyper Beam! Help! Hypersonic, time to go. The egg carrier is here. Robotnik, take us up. Oh man, they are getting away in the ship. Man, that hypersonic sure is powerful. Come on, Tails. We have to chase that ship. I have another plane at my workshop. Meanwhile, yes, just as I planned. Soon, Hypersonic will have all 7 emeralds. Then, he will rule the world. But Doctor, the emeralds will be mine, right? Yes, of course, Knuckles, but I don't need you anymore. I have 6 emeralds here. You tricked me. I just used you to find the last one. Hypersonic, get him. My pleasure. Hyperspin. Take Knuckles to the dungeon. Sure. Tails, we still might have a chance.